Hi everybody, one quick video that I'm shooting out here so that everybody is clear on what the plan is for tuition and how to get it all set up for the school year. We had back to school nights with each of the classes during the fourth quarter. I had discussed this then, but then obviously time went on and people probably put it in the back of their mind, and now it's getting close to school year, and it's something that we need to have every family take care of. So if you have not filled out one of these forms with Betty Otti yet, then you need to do that. And in the email that this video is found is her contact information as well as these forms. There's one form, as you can see, that says 10th through 12th grade. So it's sophomores, juniors, and seniors. There's just a few more options for courses that you have to make sure that you fill out. And that would be done obviously after you've chosen all your courses on PowerSchool. You can go into PowerSchool and see what classes you've chosen with your son or daughter. There's also a freshman one that looks like this. This is ninth grade, just fewer options for some classes, and some are already checked because they are classes you have to have. Anyways, if you have no clue about this form, that means you have not filled it out yet, which means you have to fill it out. You need to get in touch with Betty Otti. You can open these forms, and you can even just drop them off with her or email her. But please take care of this. This is something, when we talk about registration, this is what we're talking about. Returning families, you don't need to do anything online for application anymore. So don't go into TADS and do anything there. You don't need to do that. This is all you need to do is make sure you fill out your financial commitment. And that would be after you've gone into PowerSchool and chosen your classes. And that's already done for, I think, everybody. So, anyways, wanted to just clear this all up. Typically, at the end of the year, these forms come home with your son or daughter, and we collect them all, and it's all taken care of. Obviously, we couldn't do that, so we've been trying to do this via email and communication this way. So if you don't know what this form is, it means you haven't done it yet, which means open it. And please take care of it. Thank you very much. Have a blessed week. And I'll be back for another tutorial soon.